Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this. It's meant to be the airing dye from Eliza Henri, but I actually use it for these little barrette clips and these little like hair slides. So I thought I'd show you how to use these, but you can use these on airings, and you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes, and obviously you get 4 of the bigger, then the next one down, 5 of the slightly smaller, and then 6 of this. So it is actually perfect for your little, like, you know, scraps and things like that, because you can get quite a bit of extra. So say you're making some school bows and you had some like velvet sheet left over, you've got enough to add something like this, or even little bits to add up and add little bits to your like school bow sets and just little accessories and things like that without actually wasting your fabric, because this is all you need for one line. Look how much fabric that is. And if you just wanted one little dot, look how little material you'd actually need to be able to create that. So like I said, it's not a lot at all, and like I said, it is perfect for those scraps. Now I did try originally to try and use this thinlet, because I wanted to see if I could do it without like paying, because I think the dye was £18. This thinlet was like £3.50. So I did try, but it only cuts for a felt. Even with the thinlet adapter, still only cuts through a felt, whereas this cuts through everything. So like I said, if you are going to make a lot of these, or like I said, you don't like using waste and you like this idea, then it is worth investing in that one, because like I said, you can use it for earrings, you can use it for these kind of things. There's a few different sizes and options, so like I said, you've got a lot of choice there. Move these out of the way. And I'm going to cut my 3 layers on this one. Now for me, I always use a little bit of masking tape on mine, but it is purely because I am accident prone and my material slips if I don't. If you're one of the people that can put it on the dye and you don't have that issue at all, go for it. Some people don't. My sister does it. She puts up to 4 sheets through, and only when her plates are like completely and utterly gone does she have any issues. But like I said, I am extremely accident prone, and if I don't put a bit of masking tape on, it just means my fabric slips and I waste a lot of material that I don't necessarily want to waste. And the whole point of this for me is to save my fabric, not waste it. Now, as I have longer dies and shorter dies, these are on my long adapter plates. But if you've got your standard plates, it's absolutely fine. I just couldn't find mine before I was filming. There we go. Move everything out the way. And this is what we're left with in a minute. And there we go. We've got 12 little, well, almost 12, because one of them did slip, but it's okay. I've got enough to do what I wanted to do. But there you go, 1, 2, 3 layers. And like I said, barely any waste on that as well. And like I said, masking tape comes off very easily. Doesn't damage your dies or anything like that either. So it is good to go. I'm just going to separate out my little dots. 1, 2, 3. And this is like a suede velvety material. It's like perfect for like your royal blue, not royal blue, this would be navy blue, like your school bows and things like that. There we go. And out of all of that, I've just got one where it slightly slipped and missed that teeny tiny little bit there, which I don't think is too bad in all opinion, considering it's me. And like I said, I am known for doing things like accidentally knocking this out the way. And then, like I said, I got all of these on Amazon as well. They weren't very expensive for what they are. I think I got the gold and silver versions for like £2.50 for 10 of each. so they're quite cost effective as well. And the Barrettes, I think I got like 5 or 6 for a couple of pounds as well. I'll put them all in my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description box below. Same with the link for the Eliza Henri die for you on here. And all you need is a bit of like E6000, 8000, B6000. A little bit on here. Don't overdo it though, because you don't want it everywhere. Make sure you always keep this upright, otherwise it will spill it everywhere and you'll have it all over your desk. And then all you want to do is place these nicely, and I'll put the sizes for the circles in the die in the description box for you in the description below as well. There you go. There's your little matching braid clips, and then the same with your slides. A little bit, just a thin layer. And like I said, with this one, you can put your chunky glitters through, you can put your leatherettes, you can put your canvases. It will literally cut all of it. Whereas my little thinlet was just felt. So there you go. And then you've got some super cute little clips. I've got enough to make 2 more sets of these from that little 3 cut that I just did. And look how cute they are. You could fancy them up a little bit more by adding some more gems and things like that if you wanted to, but they're just really simple. And like I said, they're also perfect for earrings as well. And if you're someone who does resin, like I said, you could do these, and you could do the top resin on top as well, like as a protective dome, and then heal it with your, well, depends what type you're using. If you're using the UV, you could just put it in your lamp to cure for the 30 seconds. If you're using the 24-hour to set one, obviously you'd leave them overnight, and then obviously you'd have a nice seal on top. But they look pretty with or without. But like I said, that would be an extra step if that was something you wanted to play around with. And the same with those. But there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.